From the future adventure, greetings! Get ready to explore the world in unmatched comfort and beauty. Presenting the masterpiece that is transforming travel, the Volkswagen Motorhome 2026. The main factor that makes Volkswagen's sleek, modern design appealing is its unique aerodynamic lines, which provide a form that is both functional and fashionable. The automatic sliding doors open, and you enter a cosmos meticulously prepared for every journey. Several state-of-the-art engines built for optimal performance and efficiency power this RV. Two alternatives are available: a powerful plug-in hybrid diesel engine with rapid torque for long-distance driving, and a silent and environmentally friendly all-electric EV powertrain with a large capacity battery that provides an exceptional range for zero-emission excursions. As soon as you grab the wheel, you are greeted by a contemporary and intuitive user interface. A huge, curving touchscreen connects all of the car's essential data and functions, from the instrument panel to the center console. A cutting-edge entertainment system that seamlessly combines wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will keep you entertained and connected. To ensure continuous connectivity and convenience, there are several USB-C ports, wireless charging, and accurate digital temperature control scattered throughout. The interior design skillfully strikes a balance between style and functionality. High-quality materials, such as certified light wood, vegan leather upholstery, and soft, recyclable linens, create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Because of its modular design, you may transform the room as needed, transforming it from a cozy dining area during the day to a tranquil haven at night. Large panoramic windows offer stunning views of every area, but programmable LED ambient lighting adds a unique touch. The bedroom should be a tranquil retreat. A comfortable queen-size bed with an ergonomic mattress guarantees sound sleep after a day of exploring. Cleverly hidden storage spaces under the bed and along the walls optimize the amount of luggage you may bring. Soft lighting and blackout curtains guarantee a restful night's sleep, while sufficient ventilation promotes healthy air circulation. Elegant design doesn't have to take up a lot of space, as demonstrated by this little yet functional bathroom. Quick heat showers, fold-down sinks, and modern, energy-efficient cassette toilets are features that conserve room without sacrificing comfort. A mirror with built-in lighting and composed of materials that are easy to clean and waterproof might provide a stylish touch. The kitchen of the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome is a dream come true for any adventurous chef. With a stainless steel sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and a roomy refrigerator freezer, you can prepare delicious meals wherever you go. Because of its transportable dining area and large storage space for materials and equipment, it functions as a hub for cooking activities that may be done while on the road.